Healthcare providers should check fingerstick blood glucose in patients with suspected stroke and provide treatment if hypoglycemia is detected, as abnormal glucose levels can mimic or worsen stroke symptoms. In patients presenting with acute stroke symptoms, brain imaging with either non-contrast CT or MRI should be performed as rapidly as possible, ideally within 20 minutes of hospital arrival, to exclude hemorrhage and guide treatment decisions. For patients with ischemic stroke who are not candidates for intravenous fibrinolytic therapy, endovascular thrombectomy, EVT, should be considered, especially for large vessel occlusions with favorable imaging profiles. Recent clinical trials and guidelines support EVT within 6 hours of symptom onset, and selected patients up to 24 hours based on advanced imaging. If EVT cannot be performed on-site, eligible patients should be transferred to an EVT-capable center. Transfers should be expedited to achieve EVT within 3 hours of arrival at the initial hospital to maximize functional outcomes.